talk to Decred. Here you go.
Good.
All right, so just to start off, I'll give a brief explanation of what Decred is. So you can think of Decred as Bitcoin with a governance layer. So what does that actually mean? Well, in the Bitcoin ecosystem, you have these competing interests. You've got the developers, the miners, the businesses, and then the Bitcoin holders. When disputes arise between these interests, there's no formal mechanism to solve the disputes. And so what ends up happening is you get political infighting, you get gridlock, you get stagnation. And so this is one of the things Decred sets out to address, and we do this with our governance system. So there's two parts that are important. There is stakeholder voting, and then there's self-funding. So with stakeholder voting, if you own Decred, you're able to lock that up and then essentially vote on which changes should be made to the protocol. So if we want to implement SegWit, it requires 75% approval from the stakeholders. So you can.
How often is that done?
We've had, I believe, 4 votes so far. It's any time there are hard fork changes required. So any changes to the consensus algorithm, anything like that. And so you can think of it like shareholder voting from a corporation applied to a cryptocurrency project. And it takes the powers away from any of the competing interest groups and puts it into the hands of the actual Decred holders. So that second part is the self-funding mechanism. So 10% of every block reward is sent to a development fund. And that development fund can be used for anything that will benefit Decred, software development work, marketing, business development work, design work. And the stakeholders actually control that fund. So if I am a software developer or team of developers and I want to build out a Lightning Network integration for Decred, I can write a proposal, submit it to our proposal system, and have the actual Decred stakeholders vote on whether to fund it or not. So we are a self-governed, self-funded cryptocurrency. And the self-funding, one cool thing that allows is as our market cap grows, that block reward will grow. So we'll be able to scale our Decred contractors proportional to the market cap growth, right? So it differs from coins like Litecoin and Monero that rely on community donation models, or you have the Bitcoin model, which is you have Blockstream, which is the core Bitcoin developers funded by venture capital money. And anytime you have external funding sources, you introduce the opportunity for conflicts of interest down the road. Maybe the VC's interests don't necessarily line up with the Bitcoin long-term holders' interests.
So where can people buy Decred, and you guys have a website?
Yeah, totally. So if you want to learn more about Decred, check us out at decred.org. There's links to all of our social sites there, Reddit, Slack, Twitter. And if you want to buy Decred, you can check it out on Bittrex or Poloniex, so the 2 main exchanges right now.
Do you guys have your own wallet?
Yes, we do. So if you check out the Decred website, there's a downloads page, and we have a desktop wallet for all the platforms, and that wallet actually allows you to stake your Decred if you want, to vote on issues, all that good stuff.
So it's the coolest wallet in the world.
It is the coolest wallet in the world.
That's right. You are the blockchain.
You heard it here first.
That's right. All right, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, no problem.